Here's how to fix the Facebook post limit. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now, if you're experiencing a post limit, you need to clear your account data. To do this, you need to go to Account Center, go ahead and tap on Account Center, and then tap on Your Permissions and Information. Then view your information or access your information and clear your recent activities. Sometimes this issue occurs when there isn't enough storage space. So alternatively, you can clear the app data. Tap and hold onto the Facebook application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From here, scroll down and tap on Storage. Then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. Then tap on Clear in the bottom and you'll be done. Now restart your entire device and this should definitely help you fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.